This lace-like effect is made some few years back, some 2 to 3 years back, I guess. And you could also have come across a video on which I speak about how to make it. If you haven't watched it yet and if you would love to give it a try, then I will put its link in the description below. So in today's video, I will be just talking about what all things that we should be focused while doing this making of lace using our paper quilling. While making your lace, you will be needing lots and lots of crimp paper. So for this, you can either use your crimping tool. There are crimping tools which come in different sizes also. Otherwise, you can also use a comb. Even a regular comb can work depending on the type of project we are doing. And now moving on to the tips. So the first and foremost is the glue surface. So I just take a non-sticky surface. This is actually a MDF sheet or board on which I have stuck some transparent sheet so that it becomes non-sticky, and on it I apply some glue. So this makes a good surface for applying your glue. I just spread it in a thin line and then make it flat using some type of card, something like a ATM card or some whatever plastic card that you do. Take glue on the sides of the paper, that is over the crimps. So this ensures less glue as we are just dabbing the paper and not sliding it over, so that we make sure that we pick up very little glue. While sticking two crimp papers, make sure that the ridge comes together. Make sure that the ridge of one and the value of the other doesn't come together so that it looks like a single crimp paper. It is also preferable to use white crimps. So for this you can use bigger size combs. And also make sure to use thick paper or cardstock for the crimping. Don't use the regular pre-cut strips which are usually some 80 to 100 GSM thick, but go with something that is at least 120 or more GSM in thickness. Hope today's tips are useful for you. So when are you going to make your own lace-like effect using your papers?